Hello everyone, welcome to English class. Today we are going to continue our previous topic synthesis of simple sentence, in which I will teach you today rule number 4. So by using past participle as an adjective, we can make a new simple sentence. How? You can see the example. He made a child, the child was weeping. So these are two simple sentences, and we have to combine and we have to make one new simple sentence. So after combining, the sentence will become he made a weeping child. So very easy. Second one, she found a dog, the dog was black. So after combining, what we can write? She found a black dog. Now next example, I saw a lion, the lion was wounded. After combining these two simple sentences, it will become I saw a wounded lion. Now, rule number 5. In rule number 5, we can make a new simple sentence by using conjunction and the situation will be two. In first situation, subject will be different and predicate will be same. So you can see here, and in another condition there will be just opposite of it. Okay, so you can see here, Harish played cricket, Ramesh played cricket. So here you are getting what? Subject is different because here Harish is the subject and here Ramesh is the subject, but predicates are same over here. So after combining these two simple sentences, it will become Harish and Ramesh played cricket. Similarly, we have another example. Ram knows driving. Another simple sentence. Shyam knows driving. So after combining, it will become Ram and Shyam know driving. Okay. Now, another situation. When subject are same but predicate are different. Okay, so you can see here, Ram can write, Ram can read. These are two simple sentences, and we have to combine these two simple sentences and we have to make one new simple sentence. So after combining, it will become Ram can read and write. Similarly, another sentence, Sita can dance, Sita can swim. After combining, the sentence will be Sita can dance and swim. Now, another rule we have, by using nominative absolute. Okay, so nominative absolute means what? A sentence in which subject remains free in the sentence. Okay, and another condition is what? In this type of example, subject are not common. That means subject will be different. And there will be always what? Causal relation. That means Karan and Parinam. So you can see here, the police arrived. The thieves fled away. Here, police is not doing anything. Only cause and relation. Because the police arrived there, and that is why the thief fled away. Okay, so that is why here police is what? Nominative absolute. So the police having arrived, comma, the thieves fled away. So here we have to use what? Perfect participle. The sun rose, we left the bed. The sun having risen, we left the bed. So these are very easy examples you can understand. Now I am going to give you another example also. Now we will see another example in synthesis of compound sentence. So the all previous rule I taught you, those were rules of synthesis of simple sentence. Now I am going to teach you synthesis of compound sentence. Now you are well known with this topic. Okay, You know very well compound sentence. About the compound sentence, you know very well compound sentence contains two principal clause and no subordinate clause. Okay, so there are various rules how we can make a compound sentence after combining two simple sentences. Okay, so rule says that by using coordinate conjunction, we can make a compound sentence. How? So there are so many coordinate conjunctions. By using that, we can make a new compound sentence. So few are given over here. For example, using cumulative conjunction. Cumulative is one type of coordinate conjunction in which and is used, and both, and comma, as well as not only but also not less than. So these are the examples of cumulative conjunction. We use cumulative conjunction to combine two sentences. Okay, so you can see here after your concept will be more clear when you will see the examples. Okay, so the first sentence I have taken, I watched TV, he played football. Okay, here you are getting subjects are also different and predicates are also different. So after combining it will become what? I was TV and he played football. Here you are getting what? Two different principal clause over here, and that is why it is what? Example of compound sentence. Now come to the another one. The police came, the thief ran away. Here also again you are getting here what? Two different principal clause here. So after combining the sentence will become the police came and the thief ran away. Next, by using both and we can make a compound sentence. He ate a biscuit, he ate an orange. After combining these two sentences, it will become he ate both a biscuit and an orange. Next example, he is a student, he is a painter. See here, after combining these two sentences, it will become he is both student, he is both a student and a painter. Another example, she purchased a pen. Next example, she purchased a book. So after combining these two simple sentences, it will become she purchased both a pen and a book. Now another we have example using as well as. Suresh is going to Jaipur, Mahesh is going to Jaipur. Here you are getting predicates are same but subject are different, and we have to use this coordinate conjunction as well as. So Suresh as well as Mahesh is going to Jaipur. Now another example, she is intelligent, she is beautiful. After combining these two sentences, it will become she is intelligent as well as beautiful. Now come to the another one, by using not only but also. You can see the examples. Syam was punished. Another sentence, he was fined. After combining these two simple sentences, it will become a compound sentence. How? By using this not only but also. So after combining, the new compound sentence will be he was not only punished but also fined. Another example, they were found guilty, they were expelled from the college. After combining, they were not only found guilty but also expelled from the college. Now another examples I will give you, but in which I will use another conjunction by using adversative conjunction. Adversative conjunction means what? Virodhabhas. How? You can better understand. In this adversative conjunction, we use coordinate conjunction but, still, however, where, only, or while, or yet. Okay, so you can understand with the help of this example. He is smart, he is not intelligent. So here in the first sentence you are getting he is smart. And just opposite here we are talking about, okay, here we are talking about the quality, but here we are getting a just opposite sense, like he is not intelligent. So that is why you are getting what? Virodhabhas. Okay. So after combining these two sentences, it will become he is smart, but he is not intelligent. I will give you more example in this, but in next class. So this was all about your today's class. Thank you very much. Kindly make a note of synthesis, because after completing this compound sentence I will move to the another complex sentence. Okay, synthesis of complex sentence I will teach you. That would be the last one, and after that I will start teaching you transformation. Okay, so kindly don't waste your time and prepare and make a notes. Thank you very much.